As you first land on the Council's new homepage, you are immediately greeted with a bold image and a tagline: Managing Pacific Coast Fisheries. Whether you are interested in fish because they're your business, your joy, your food, or your job, we have a way for you to get involved. This was done to greet visitors to the site regardless of their background or interests and convey to them a feeling of transparency, open interaction, and show them the various ways that they can get involved with the fisheries. The entire site has been redesigned with a shallows to deep water approach. What I mean by this is, when a visitor starts in on a page or a topic, they'll get a very general, easy to digest experience, as if they're wading into the shallows. Then, they can choose to dive down into the depths more if they desire more technical details. This is to appeal to a broader audience, such as the public or visitors who might not understand all the terminology up front, while still providing the technical details to those who need more. As you scroll down the page, you're greeted with a piece that briefly explains what the Pacific Council is, with the ability to learn more. To the right, you'll see blocks with upcoming and previous meeting details. These blocks are interactive. They change automatically based on pre-populated dates, and they allow users to quickly, from the homepage, get to what our analytics told us are some of the most visited documents, pages, and information on the site. You can quickly jump into the current or upcoming agenda, briefing book materials, or submit a review of public comment. Or, if you're looking for the decision summary from the last meeting or briefing book materials, you can get there right from the homepage. As you continue to scroll the page, you'll find the News and Updates section. This is where users can find announcements to things such as important documents that we just posted, upcoming webinar information, off-site meetings, and so on. This section is also live in the sense that it updates based on time and date of both events and post dates, as well as has the ability for us to sticky items here until we're ready for them to fall off the front page, something we're not able to do efficiently on our existing site. Additional news and updates can be found by clicking the link in the bottom left. As users continue to scroll down the page, there's a balance of information and page aesthetics to break up content and keep things from feeling too crowded and hard to read. Up next is the Fishery Management Plan tiles. This is a quick visual way for users to get to the landing pages for various fishery management plans. Users can simply click on a tile and be taken to that plan's page, but more on that in a moment. At the bottom of the home page, we have an events block, which will populate with upcoming events tied to our calendar, as well as another place where users can once again get involved, subscribe to a newsletter, an email list, or our Dropbox subscription. Next, we will demonstrate the all-new menu. Designed with a collapsible feature that also scrolls the page with you, you can expand menu headings to drill down to specific pages you're looking for from the home page without clicking through multiple subpages to get there. For example, we could expand fishery management plans, then coastal pelagic species, to jump directly to the Safe Documents page, if that's what we were looking for. Additional pages will be populated here as we continue to fill in the site, but the end goal was to allow users to jump directly to the content they're searching for without having to go through a variety of subpages to get there first. Users can also reach each FMP page via those tiles I showed you on the home page earlier. They will be taken to a landing page that allows users to once again wade into the shallows of what coastal pelagic species are. They can find key documents related to that FMP. They can access the management team and advisory subpanel pages, or scroll down and see news and updates pertaining only to coastal pelagic species. They can track actions in progress, and, like the homepage, continue to get quick access to upcoming council meetings, briefing books, and other items on our event calendar. Finally, as you scroll to the bottom of the page, you'll see the contact section to point users to the staff officer responsible for that FMP. You can also click on the name and be taken to the council staff bio page to learn more about that staff officer. Moving back to the home page, you'll notice that the background image changes upon page refresh. This is to give a fresh feel upon each visit, and images can be changed by us over time. Finally, let's take a look at reaching briefing book materials. From the home page, we've already demonstrated how you'll be able to access them directly from the upcoming and previous meeting blocks. Or, users may expand the council meetings menu, select briefing books, and then select the meeting that they want. Here you will notice that on the latest briefing book page, you will see the materials accessible to you as you're already used to, all organized by agenda item. But we have added a recent docs feature off to the right that will automatically display the 10 most recent documents added to the page in real time. This was a feature added to mimic the recent files notification feature that's built into Dropbox, as we realized that not all of our users can utilize Dropbox. And while Dropbox is merely another delivery mechanism for the same content as our website, we wanted to give our website users some of the same features. So now, rather than searching the page to see if that salmon document has been posted, users will be able to scan the recent docs block and identify which documents have been added and be able to click on them to jump directly to the document. Finally, I want to show you the Council Meetings Previous Meetings page, which showcases all of the previous meetings which will be populated here. We've made it so that users can simply jump directly to the decision summary, briefing book materials, and notice and agendas for any previously hosted meeting. Hopefully that gives you a glimpse of some of the improvements that we've been making to the overall accessibility of our new site. We are excited to continue to populate this new site with more and more content in the coming months, and have a plan to roll it out to the public early next year.